Alright, good morning everyone. Morning for me. It was a great day. I'm super hyped, super stoked. Don't even have words, but going to install a REMUS axleback exhaust today. And I'm about to get wet by sprinklers. And people love to water the streets instead of the grass. But yeah, going to install the REMUS axleback today. I'm super stoked. I ordered this back in like March, and it just came in now. And I honestly wasn't even expecting it for another like couple weeks. And it's gonna be freaking awesome. Can't wait to get it installed. It should be pretty simple install process. I mean, you just make a cut and then bolt the new exhaust on. I think the hardest part is just gonna be lining everything up, like the tips and all that. Can't wait. The main reason why I did this mod is because I'm not really tuning my car quite yet. I kind of want to take advantage of the warranty since I've never had a new car that came with a warranty, so I want to take advantage of that for a little while longer, just to have some peace of mind and knowing that my warranty is there, fully covered. So yeah, I figured having an exhaust, especially a REMUS axleback, would really open up the sound more and just make driving way more fun. So really looking forward to that. But in my opinion, the B58 exhaust stock from the factory is maybe one of BMW's best sounding non-M car exhausts from the factory. It sounds so good, and it just has that, like, especially when you're in the cabin and you got the windows up and everything, you can just hear that motor and it sounds so good. Like, can't explain it. You just have to hear for yourself. But yeah, it has like, it comes with burbles like stock from the factory. It just sounds really good because, you know, this engine's in a lot of other cars too. So yeah, this is a really capable engine, and I just can't wait to bring more sound out of it and just get that like more raw driving experience and just have a lot more fun. All right, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and get some exhaust clips for you guys, just so you can see how it sounds stock. And then we'll go from there. Alright, we're getting set up. Just unboxing here. So we got the right one. It says BMW 3-year F30. So here's the valve section. Let's get this off. So yeah, it comes with an iPhone. I guess these are like ringtones you can scan. And then it has instructions you can get online. Comes with some ceramic paste. I guess it's like anti-seize. And then a couple bolts. Make sure you find these in your box. And it comes with written instructions as well, in German and English. First we'll just unplug this exhaust valve actuator, and then here's the dimple right here. That's where we'll cut. Zach, my brother, master cutter. Just want to cut right on that dimple.
go this way with this thing. I got the exhaust.
Got that. Let me get the other one off camera. Oh, got it. Oh gosh, it's a little heavy. It's got some like water in it.
Yeah.
And yeah, the REMUS axle back should be lighter too. I think about like 10 or so pounds. So, all right, we just want to go ahead and file down, like burr the edges a little bit. All right, we want to go ahead and put the clamps on so they're easy to access when we're under the car. We're just kind of turning them around, getting it all fitted up. And now we need to transfer these rubber mounts over to the new exhaust. Give this a little lubrication. These things will slide right off. There we go. Alright, now we want to transfer the actuator. What size is this?
10 millimeter. Make sure there's no spring tension on anything. We gotta pull this off. And then we put the bolts down.
Yeah, so it needs to just be pulled off. Oh, there it goes.
Just like that. Transfer the plate and the motor.
Yeah.
And get the new one hooked up.
Yeah, so we're just trying to line up the clip right now. In with the actuator. Alright, so we have the actuator sitting in each of the grooves right here. And with the valve closed, as we are assuming that's how it should be installed. Now, once we tighten down these bolts, it'll apply the pressure on the grooves and the spring, kind of. Whatever it is, it's not really a spring, but
Just evenly apply pressure all the way around.
yeah. Good looks. Alright, now we're going to install our mounting brackets. We're going to use the crush washers.
And a 13. We're just going to snug them up so we can adjust it when it's underneath the car. Just like that. That way they can still move a little bit.
Slide.
Yeah, so we can loosen them, slide them, get them all set up.
That's the good part with this exhaust setup, is that it's pretty adjustable. So once we like get under the car, we can adjust everything and get the fitment perfect. So we just got the rubber mounts installed. Just slid them over on each side, and we're gonna go ahead and just bolt each of these in first, and then go ahead and tighten everything down and try to get the fitment as good as we can. Ready?
I'll help you get it on the pipe. Get that on first.
Alright, so now we're going to adjust the exhaust by lowering it down all the way. Then we can fit the tips on and then raise it to get the proper fitment. REMUS was kind enough to send us some Michael Jackson gloves. But no, I guess these are just for handling the tips or the exhaust if you don't want to get fingerprints on it. We'll get the exhaust tips because they're nice and shiny. We'll go ahead and use them, and already coated them with some Sonax aluminum and stainless steel sealant. So it should be good. I don't know if it's as good as a ceramic coating, but it'll be good enough. They're super nice. I went with like the black street chrome racing tips. I think that's what they're called. But they have like a little bit of carbon fiber right here. And I didn't want to get like the full carbon fiber tips because it's not really an exact match to my carbon fiber diffuser. So I thought it would look like a little out of place, but I mean, these look pretty good right now. So yeah, that's gonna look sick. And so the reason why we do want to wear gloves, I guess, is because if you put fingerprints on any of this, any like chrome or stainless steel, and then you go to start up the car and it gets hot, it'll actually bake those fingerprints and like imprint them in the exhaust. So I mean, if you're that particular, then yeah, you might as well wear the gloves, because I don't want to see any fingerprints on the top of the tips where it's going to be visible. So yeah, let's go ahead and fit these on. Alright, so we have a T12, and we're just going to go ahead and loosen the clamp. Alright, it's pretty loose. Go ahead and slide these on. That is the cool thing about this exhaust, is it's super adjustable, so you can like move the tips all the way out to here or have them low key. So yeah, I think we'll just get them snug for now, and that way we can get the rest of the parts all tightened up in the line, and then we can just adjust these in and out. So I think that'll be the plan of attack. Alright, that's good enough. It's not falling off. Oh, I'll get a little tighter. Alright, that's good enough. It's not falling off and it's still adjustable. So I'll go ahead and put the other one on. Right now we're just adjusting the hangers. It needs to be raised because further down the exhaust it's resting on the bracket. So we just need to get the mid pipe portion off the bracket. And to do that, I think we just raise the hangers and tighten those down. Alright, so we're just going to tighten these hangers down. We got the rest of the exhaust off the bracket, and we're going to go ahead and torque it down to just German spec.
Yeah, good and tight.
Good and tight?
Good and tight, so click. There we go.
Nice.
And the other side is click. Good and tight. She's in.
Alright, now we're just tightening the main clamp, and then we're going to torque it down to 40 foot-pounds. That's what it says in the manual. There we go. Click. That thing's not going anywhere now.
Nope.
Alright, now we need to do the clips that lead to the exhaust tips to 20 foot-pounds. We got it installed, moment of truth, about to do the startup, and I think it looks pretty clean. Now we're really tied in with the black theme, everything blacked out. That looks really good. not a cold start. This is a warm start. Sounds pretty good. Got the valve is closed. So let's give it some revs. Yeah, the Sport Plus, and I should have opened the valve. Honestly, it's a little quieter than I thought it would be, but it sounds really good. Definitely gonna be way more fun to drive now. So I'll be getting some more clips for you guys, but that pretty much wraps up this install. It was pretty easy, so I just got to make the cuts and bolt everything down, and it's good to go. So super stoked. I think it looks way better than the stock exhaust. Sounds better, obviously. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button for future content, as we're going to take this build even further.